Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how smart computer programs can solve complex problems all by themselves? Today, we are exploring AI agents. An AI agent is a smart computer program that can understand its environment, make decisions, and take action on its own to reach a specific goal. Unlike basic software that only follows rigid step-by-step instructions, an AI agent can act independently and adapt to new situations. Let's look at the four main characteristics that make an AI agent special. The first key characteristic is autonomy. Autonomy means the AI agent can make decisions and complete tasks independently, without needing constant human control. Once you give it a clear task, it works in the background to get the job done on its own. The second characteristic is perception. Just like humans use eyes and ears, an AI agent gathers and analyzes information from its surroundings. It can perceive data through text inputs, digital sensors, or online databases. This helps the agent understand what is happening before it takes action. Third, AI agents exhibit goal-oriented behavior. Every single action an AI agent takes is designed to achieve a clear, specific outcome. Whether the goal is tracking a package, processing a return, or answering a question, all of its choices are aligned with reaching that final objective. Fourth, AI agents possess adaptability. If something changes unexpectedly, an AI agent does not just break or stop. It learns from past results and reacts in real time to new situations. This flexibility allows it to handle sudden changes in dynamic environments. To see this in action, let's look at a real-world example. In early 2024, the e-commerce company Klarna launched an OpenAI-powered AI customer service assistant. In its very first month, this AI agent handled over 2.3 million conversations, that was two-thirds of all customer service chats. It automatically processed refunds, managed returns, and answered user questions 24/7 without requiring a human worker to step in. To summarize, an AI agent is an autonomous software program that perceives its environment, focuses on specific goals, and adapts to changes smoothly. These traits allow AI agents to handle complex tasks and transform modern technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.